Okay, so in electron configuration, again, we are looking at how the electrons are arranged within the electron cloud. Let's take a look at silicon, which a neutral atom of silicon has 14 electrons. So Aufbau principle, we're going to start with the lowest energy level and sublevel, and we'll begin distributing electrons there. So that's 1s2. So two of our 14 electrons are in the first energy level, the s orbital. We have 12 more. Now on the first energy level, there only is the s orbital, so we go on to 2. And next in line would be 2s with 2 more electrons. And again, for the s sublevel, the maximum number of electrons is 2. Moving on then, we would go to the 2p, sub-energy level and sublevel, energy level 2, sublevel p. And p can hold up to 6 electrons. P has 3 orbitals with 2 electrons each. That's 6 electrons. Next in line then, since we've filled up the 2p, is that we would go to 3s. And 3s would hold 2 electrons. And keep in mind that regardless of the primary energy level, the s sublevel will only ever hold 2 electrons, whether it's first, second, third, or whatever energy level it happens to be on. Now if we add up the electrons we've arranged so far, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of our 14 electrons have been distributed. So we have 2 more electrons, and those we'll put in the 3p energy level and sublevel, and our superscript on the p will be 2 as opposed to 6, because we only have 2 electrons in that energy level for silicon. So our electron configuration for the element silicon, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p2. And again, this tells us where the electrons are within this atom. Think of it as like an inventory of the electrons and where they are.